Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking your first actionable steps. Install Visual Studio with the ASB, NET and web workload plus Node, JS and Git so tools speak to each other. Once done, open Visual Studio, click Create a new project, select ASB, NET Core Web App or the React template, name the solution and set the project folder. Make sure to choose the correct NET version. This avoids runtime mismatch later, so check Node V and Git version before moving on. Now you set up the detailed execution steps so the app runs predictably. Add controllers, views, or React components and place static assets into www, then configure app settings. JSON and launch settings. JSON for ports and profiles. Once set, handle cores and environment variables so APIs communicate securely. Next, open terminal. Run npm install for front-end packages, npm run build to compile assets, and .NET run to start the backend. If you see compilation error, finish by validating and debugging so deployment is smooth. Run the app with IIS Express or Kestrel, test endpoints and UI, and use hot reload to iterate quickly. Then use debug, start debugging, set breakpoints, inspect variables and watch, and adjust exception settings to catch errors early. Once done, run unit tests and validate API responses. If something breaks, first check console logs, port conflicts, and package versions. Often a mismatched npm package or a blocked port is the single issue to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.